Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the necessary radios. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, and make sure the car's infotainment is awake. Once done, plug a certified cable into the car if your vehicle prefers wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Otherwise, set the head unit to pairing or screen mirroring mode. You should also unlock the phone and grant any pairing prompts immediately. Make sure do not skip granting permissions for contacts and screen sharing, so the next steps proceed smoothly. After the radios are on, pair the phone with the car. Select the vehicle name in your phone's Bluetooth list and accept the pairing code shown on both screens. Once paired, choose the correct display source on the head unit, CarPlay, Android Auto, or Miracast, and tap to connect. Then open the app you want to mirror, like navigation or a media player, and allow mic and location access when requested. This ensures voice commands and maps work correctly while mirrored. Finalize the setup by confirming audio plays through the car speakers and that steering wheel or voice controls register commands. Once connected, use hands-free controls to stay safe. Do not touch the phone while driving. If the image stutters or disconnects, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the phone, then disconnect and reinitiate pairing. If that fails, reboot the phone and head unit, check for OS firmware updates, and try a different certified USB cable for wired connections. That single action fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.